In primetime news this evening, government and opposition remain divided on some constitutional reform matters.
Auditor General flags for municipal corporations.
And renewed calls for more to be done to fix the local health sector. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, the inflation rate for December increased by 1.2% compared to November. I'll tell you what contributed to the rise. And it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices, those stories and more in the business day.
Thanks, Log. And coming up in sports, well, Jermaine Brown, Jerry, is here to tell us what's coming up. What's coming up?
Here's what's coming up, Archie. Well, the West Indies are fine-tuning preparation for the opening test against Pakistan in Multan, and that starts on Thursday, and we'll give you the update on that and more a bit later on.
And Romain has a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Dry conditions are forecast for the remainder of this week, and we also have strong winds across sections of southern patches, especially for offshore areas.
There's also sports commentary E-Prime and the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what do you make of revelations that male students are being barred from attending school because of their haircut?
She's looking at my hair as she says that. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center. I wonder what I think.
I did not say anything. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
No worries.